tomorrow we're getting new splitter material, so there's that. When I get home, I need to do the drawing for the wing. I'm gonna do that. I haven't forgot. Trust me, we'll get it done. So we got the LS swapped on the FC, and the video is now. What's up, kids? Harrison's still wearing pants. We need shorts for him. Does anybody want that gold EF Civic under the cover? It was going to be Harrison's race car, but we found a Mark III Super instead, and we all know those are cooler than Civics, so that's going to be a new race car. So we need to get this out of here. We're going to say $600.
$600 and you get everything that I have for it.
$600 you get everything. That's like a motor, a trans.
Assembled motor. I don't think there's a trans.
Oh.
Planted seat bracket, rear disc brakes, a bunch of extra random parts I got ripped off. So like the dash and most of like the steering column, all that stuff I still have.
There's a lot of things for $600. So we're not taking the cover off, but if you want it, comment and I'll get you pictures. On to today's video, the shit box is outside. It's like the first time this thing's been outside in a while, and you can tell. So we need to give her a wash. And I'm just gonna kind of go through, wash everything, clean her up, so then it's not dirty and I can get back to working on it. But yep, she's definitely dirty. Washing the FC for like the first time in, I don't know, since October probably. Now, my good buddy David Patterson taught me how to wash cars, so we're gonna do this 2-bucket method, which I've never done before. So let's get started. Basically, he told me 1 bucket's for your soap and 1 bucket's to rinse. So that's what we got to do. Well, she definitely doesn't look like she was living in a barn anymore. So I'm just gonna give her a quick dry. Oh, that looks cool. The water looks nice on the vinyl. Give it a quick dry. Then we can push it back into the bay, and I'll probably call it a day, but we might do some other stuff here. I don't know yet. So let's get to drying. All right, the race car has been washed for the first time since October. I think October, and she's clean. I am impressed. We used to not be able to see through that through this back window. It's just like very opaque. So now we're all clean. Now she's ready to like get worked on, because I got to finish some interior stuff. We got to hook hook the grounds up for the coils and hook the fuel lines back up, and then she should be able to start. But that's probably going to be a tomorrow job because it's hot. Since we're talking about eBay body kits, I think we're gonna get the matching side skirts from VS Aero for this bumper. Should we get a rear bumper? Yeah, I don't really know if we need a rear. What do you guys think? Do we need a rear bumper? Oh, it's not on the car, but the stock rear one looked pretty good.
It's all cut up.
Yeah, we already cut the damn thing. We have a slight problem. I closed and locked the hatch without the hatch release cable hooked up, so I gotta crawl back here. And if I can't do it, I'll ask nicely for Harrison to do it. Oh, Jesus. Take the shiny oil cooler out. Get it there. Take the steering wheel off. Put that there. How am I gonna do this?
You think it can be done with the seats in?
I'm stubborn enough, maybe.
Can you
Pull the lever.
the lever?
Yeah. It's pulling it. But I don't know why it's not taking it off.
The side, like the two on each side, don't look like they're doing anything. I think that's it.
Ow. Ow. Fuck, I'm stuck. Ow. God damn it. How are we gonna get this out? How are we gonna get this open?
I think we're just gonna have to pop the seat out.
Oh, that's so annoying. That is the most annoying thing. Well, we're gonna fix the hatch on the next video. I think I can grab a pair of pliers, pull the other side of the cable, and then get that out. And perfect timing. It's raining. So you wash your race car for the first time in whatever, 8 months, and it starts raining. So thankfully she's inside. Sorry, Alfie. And yeah, we'll call it for a day. So I'm gonna go get wet and we will talk to y'all later. So this video might continue because we're gonna go to Charlotte to fix Ty's truck. We'll give you the backstory on that if that happens in this video. But if it doesn't, we will catch y'all later. Bye, y'all. Hey kids, welcome to Harrison's Body Shop. So, as you know, we've been dealing with the eBay FC 2000 front bumper. And I was perfectly happy with how it fit from eBay. Just saying. Harrison had to fix it. So it had to be good. So Harrison, let's walk us through what you're doing here. Because
Well,
the internet's going to want to know.
It's a lot of small little things that were imperfect, like just the biggest thing that we're dealing with, or not the biggest thing, one of the bigger things that we're dealing with is that this from like eBay was just so contorted. Like if this isn't bolted down, this sticks up a lot. And so we have to basically push it down and you get stress cracks and all this stuff because it's being bent against how it was formed. So that was one of the first things we ran into. And then I forgot what the other thing was, but they're like just along the corners, everything needed to be trimmed here and there. Everything's getting resin put back into it. And then this panel gap was awful, so we put some fiberglass body filler in here, some Bondo glass, and
Granted, wasn't that awful because we took too much off? Or is it just awful to begin with?
It was awful to begin with.
Okay.
We didn't take any off it to begin with.
Well, we took some shit off there.
No, you're right.
So I don't know if that was because of us or... Actually, it was probably just awful. But, you know,
Yeah.
I said the 10-foot rule. If we look at it 10 feet, I didn't care, but Harrison wanted to fix it anyways. So, we got that. We got this cool little hardware. All, I don't know, gold washer johnnies.
Beauty washers.
So we've got riv nuts and the side of the fender to hold this on. We have to JB weld some washers up here to keep those in place for our spacers. We put our lenses on just now, and I think they look pretty mint. If you have an FC 2000 front end and don't have lenses, hit me up and I can start cutting these for y'all, or just send you a pattern and then you can cut them out yourself and then drill them. Most of the motor's back together. The starter died. Well, no, the wiring is messed up for the starter. I think we just put the wiring in wrong when we put the motor back in. But we have a new starter, and then I'm just going to wire in a separate relay for it. We have our bumper on, our hood on, our lenses on. I think we look pretty mint. It's not actually, like, it's only held on by 2 bolts on the sides now. But yeah, Harrison, let's walk through kind of what we got so far. Like, we're talking about the corners over there. We're talking about this corner and just the shape and what you had to do.
So I don't think he really cares much about this, but you can tell the bumper sits a little bit lower, like from here to here. This is lower, so normally what you do is you'd add body filler and then you'd shape these lines to fit into the car. And then over here, the bumper is a little bit higher than the fender. So I started shaving down this just a little bit, just to get it a little bit better. Like from here and here, there's a little crack there that we have to fix still. But I started shaving this down, and just something about these bumpers, they just didn't make them super great. But you'll see the little pits in the resin that I added there, so there's little air pockets in it. So you can't just take down material. You're either gonna have to take down material and you take down enough to where you have to reinforce it along the back, or you're gonna have to take down the material and then do a ton of glazing putty over it because of all the air pockets. But yeah.
See.
Yeah, it's fun.
Should have brought the turn signals over. Those would look nice.
Yeah.
I'll bring those next time. We can drill those holes out and fit it in there and see what it looks like. They're LEDs. They should look nice. They're orange,
Yeah.
which we're not gonna be able to see them because they'll be yellow. But I'll seem to measure roughly how wide these, like the footprint of this, so I can get tint for both of them.
You going with like a gold tint?
Just a yellow.
Okay.
So like the old,
Oh yeah.
like GT3.
Yeah.
I think
Cool.
they run what, LEDs now, but yeah, we'll run just tint. So we just have a really nice 1/2-inch window. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, we drilled out that lock. So we're gonna put a little like turn handle back there, so
Little
door handle, so the boys can open the hatch when we need to.
Home Depot.
Exactly. Anybody want my pop-up assemblies? Send me $70 and you can have them. Oh yeah, the Civic. Someone came to buy the Civic, and then they seemed to be upset that it was a gutted Civic, which it clearly stated it was a gutted Civic.
A very gutted Civic.
Homie wanted to put a motor in it and sell it, but he didn't. He didn't want to deal with all the interior and shit. Which, shocker. I don't know why. I don't know what he was expecting.
Yeah, he was like, it doesn't have a bumper. It doesn't have a front bumper. Are you kidding me, dude?
Doesn't have a lot of things. Like nothing's here. So
Apparently the bumper was a deal breaker.
freaking idiots. But I got Harrison more Bodywork supplies. I got 600. I got 320. Oh, you like your big dick sheet of 400 that they. This was the only 400 they had. But we're getting closer for hill climb prep. We're doing pretty good. The bumper's looking good. Harrison's body shop is doing a fantastic job. And yeah, everything's going according to plan here. So we'll see you guys at the mountain, hopefully. All right, so it's about 2 weeks from the hill climb. Probably should see if this thing starts and runs. So we're about to do that. I still got to do the wiring. I ran out of wiring supplies, but I'm just gonna get under there, jump the starter, and Harrison will try to start it. And we'll see what happens. Oh, actually, we should probably put the plug wires on. So we got the LS swapped on the FC, and the video is now. We had to jump the FC with the S2K, so it's charging right now. We got our turn signals mounted in. Nice little LEDs for like truckers or something. One of my buddies told me to use these.
Jeez.
Harrison's got to fix our little...
See that?
Yeah.
It's a big gap.
Yeah. Fuck it. Literally do not care. We're just going through and Xing out all the body work that Harrison has completed on this, which is good. The motor runs. I didn't tighten my oil pressure sensor and dumped a shit ton of oil on the ground, so fucking mint. Tomorrow we're getting new splitter material, so there's that. When I get home, I need to do the drawing for the wing. I'm gonna do that. I haven't forgot. Trust me, we'll get it done. And then, oh yeah, tonight I am podcasting with S3 Magazine, so that should be an exciting time. Let's see what happens. All right, y'all. Well, we have some good news and some bad news. So, we got the car running. It's good. Bad news is the S3 podcast is not happening until next Monday at 9:30. So, we're not doing that tonight, which kind of sucks, but it's okay. What I just realized I haven't done is the giveaway drawing for the wing. So we're gonna go do that right now. I don't know, it's 10 o'clock or something. Go ahead and do the giveaway, and then I gotta open up some lights that we got for the FC, and that's our plan. So let me get, oh, we'll show you the lights. here are our little headlights now. I was told these things had HIDs or LEDs, and they are most definitely halogens, but it's okay. So let's pop them up, see what we got. Brando's getting caught up on Umbrella Academy, so there's gunshots going on. Nice. Came with wiring. They look good. They're glass, so kind of cool. Got a little relay. They gave me an on and off button, which we won't use, but no, these will be good. So, on to this giveaway. We have 4 of those, by the way. We have our spreadsheet going on. It's basically easy enough. We have y'all's name. We have your Instagram username. We have if you enter it on Instagram or if you enter it on Facebook, then we have your date entered. Little giveaway spreadsheet so we know who we are. Now we just got to do our little generator situation. We had 500 of y'all enter the giveaway. 27 wins. And 27 is... Jamie Deloc. I don't even know how to say her last name. But Jamie wins, boys and girls. So Jamie gets the GT wing. Shout out to everybody that entered in this. I appreciate all you guys. Wish everybody could get a GT wing, but I only have 1 to give away, so that kind of sucks. But I will start making GT wing mounts. So if you guys want FC mounts or like the new ones, I'll start giving those away. And Jamie, I will hit you up on Facebook or Instagram and get the details to ship this thing to you, figure all that stuff out, and we'll be good to go. So let me know what you guys think about the FC starting. Are you shocked? Stay tuned, or let me know what you guys think about the FC starting. I'm kind of shocked. Brandon's kind of shocked. There's Brandon. He's shocked. We're all shocked. But we're going to get ready for the hill climb here soon, and that's about it for this video. So thanks for watching. Bye, y'all. Peace.